Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be talking about perimeter and area of a shape, okay? That is plane geometry, plane measuration. Then we are talking about a triangle. So if you have a triangle like this, let's have a triangle like this. Then let's have that this is the height of this triangle. This is the height of the triangle. So let's say that this is A, B, and C. Or let's have it to be A, B, C. A, B, and C. Okay? So now so many things are involved there. Let me have this to be A facing A like this, and then B facing B, and then C. Okay. So for us to find the area of this triangle, we can use that it is half base times height. Okay. That's the first and the most known formula for the area of a triangle. Half base times height. Okay. So another way is that if we don't have the height of this triangle, we can use A, B, and C by saying that the area of the triangle is equal to the square root of S in bracket of S minus A in bracket of S minus B in bracket of S minus C. Okay. Then what is your S? Where S is equal to A plus B plus C all over 2. Okay. So that is that. So the next one is maybe we don't have maybe we want to find using an angle. Okay, maybe angle A is given, or maybe angle B is given, or angle C is given. Then area of a triangle is equal to 1 over 2. Now if I want to use this angle, it must be an included angle, so it's going to be AB cos sine C. Okay, so please, the angle must be included. What do I mean by included? Included in the sense that the angle must be in between the two sides you are using. So if I'm using A and B, then the angle I'm using must be this angle that is in between A and B. So it's going to be 1/2 AB sine C. Okay. Then if I want to use A and C, then it's going to be what? AC. Then which angle is between them? B is between them. So it's going to be what? Sine B. Okay. Then if I want to use B and C, it's going to be half BC. Then sine what? Which angle is between them? Angle A is between them. So the angle must be what? Included. Sorry. It must be an included angle before you can be able to use such formula. All right. So the next thing you should know is what? The perimeter of a triangle is simply to add all the sides. So the perimeter of the triangle is simply for us to add all the sides. So it's A plus B plus C is the perimeter. I told you before that perimeter is just the distance around that shape, the distance around that particular shape. So let us now solve some questions on that to help us to understand it better. Okay. So don't forget that if you're using angle, that the angle must be included. The angle must be an included angle. And then what do we mean by included angle? It means that the angle must be in between the two sides you want to use. Okay. So they say calculate the first question. Say calculate the smallest angle. Calculate the smallest angle of triangle ABC in which line AB is equal to 7 cm, comma, line BC is equal to 12 cm, comma, line AC is equal to 9 cm. Okay. Then hence or otherwise find, then correct to, okay, sorry, find the area of the triangle. Okay, find the area of the triangle. Then they say we should correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. Now it's a very simple thing. So what do we do now? Solution. Now let us draw the triangle. I have this as the triangle. Let's assume that this is the triangle. This is our A, B, and C. Okay, so they told us that line AB is 7, so here is 7 cm. They told us line AC is 9, so here is 9 cm, and then here is what, 12 cm. So obviously the angle that should be the smallest is this one that is in between these two small angles. Okay, so it is obvious. So what do we do now? Anytime you are given three sides and three sides, okay, you're asked to find an angle, then you're going to use cosine rule. Okay, cosine rule say that what, that cos A is equal to, you start from the other side. You're not going to start from the small a, so you're going to start from B. So you say B squared plus C squared minus what, that A squared, all over what, 2B and C. Okay, so that is the formula. You need to know it. Okay, so therefore cos A is equal to, or even if you don't want to make cos surrogate of formula, in fact the normal formula you may know, if you don't want to know this one, is that if you want to start if you are looking for the one that will have cos A, then you're going to start with let's start with B. You're not going to start with the one that is opposite it. So I'm starting here. It's going to be what, or here it's going to be B squared, okay, is equal, sorry, A squared, the side that is opposite. So A squared is equal to B squared plus what, C squared minus 2 the same B the same C, then cos A. Okay, you can use this one or you use the other one I said before. Any of them will still give you the same answer. So let me use the other one. So which said that what, that cos A is equal to what, B squared. Since it is A, I'm going to start with B squared plus C squared. Then the A comes with minus A squared all over 2 the same B the same C. That's how I remember the formula. Okay, so this is now, so if it is for B, let's see how B will look like. So cos B, if you are looking for this angle B, let's see how it's going to be. It's going to be what, since it is B, I'll start with the other side. So I'm going to start with A squared plus B squared, sorry, A squared plus what, C squared. Then the B comes with minus all over 2 the same A the same C. It's not difficult to remember. Okay, look at this one now. Cos C, if I'm looking for this side now, C, so it's going to be what, cos C will now be equal to what, I'm not starting with C, I'm going to start with what, A squared plus B squared, while the C will come with minus C squared, then all over 2 the same A the same what, B. So the formula is not difficult to remember. Okay, so having known this, let us now substitute and get our A that we are looking for. So therefore cos A will now be, what is my B? B is the side that is facing B, which is what, 9 squared, plus C is the side facing angle C, which is what, 7 squared. Then minus A is the side facing angle A, which is what, 12 squared, all over what, 2 times the same 9 times the same 7. So therefore cos A is equal to, let us do that. So 9 squared is 81. So I have 81 plus 49 minus 144. Then all over 2 times 9 times 7. So I have 126. So therefore cos A is equal to what? 81 plus 49 minus 144. So I'm having minus 14 all over what? 126. So therefore cos A is equal to, divided by 126. So I'm having minus 0.111111, like that. So therefore my A becomes the cos inverse of, in fact you can leave it as minus 1 over 9. Okay, minus 1 over 9. So cos inverse of minus 1 over 9. So which is what? Shift cos, my answer. So I'm having that my A is what? 96.3794 approximately. Okay, so that is my A. Now I've gotten my A, but they say we should correct the 2 decimal places, so it's going to be 36.38. Okay, and now we are asked to calculate the area of that. In fact, this is the smallest one. You can check if it is actually the smallest one by calculating B, then calculating C. Let's know if it is actually the smallest one. Okay. I'm sure there is no mistake somewhere. Okay, let us check if it is actually the smallest one. So I've gotten A to be 96. So angle A is 96. So angle A is equal to what? 96.38. So let's get angle B. So permit me to clean here. I can get angle B. Before, let us not conclude anyways. So angle B, we say that cos B now. So how do we do it? You must start from the other side. So I'm starting with what? A squared plus B squared, then minus, sorry, A squared plus C squared, then minus B squared, all over 2 the same A, the same C. Okay, so therefore, cos B is equal to, let's do that. What do we have? My A is the side facing A, which is what? 12 squared plus which other side now? C is the side facing C, which is 7 squared. Then minus B is the side facing B, minus 9 squared. So all over 2 times the same 12 times the same 7. Okay, so therefore cos B is equal to 144 plus 49, then minus 81, all over 2 times 12 times 7. So I'm having 168. Okay, so this is now 144 plus 49 minus 81. So I'm having 112 divided by 168. So therefore, if I divided by 168, so I'm having 2 over 3. So therefore, my B becomes the cos inverse of 2 over 3. So which is what? Shift cos, my answer. So I'm having 48.19 approximately. Okay. So I've gotten my B to be what? 48.19. That is my B. Now, for me to get my C, is we know that instead of repeating this method, we know that the sum of angle in a triangle is 1/8. So we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is supposed to give us 1/8. And my reason is what? Sum of angles in a triangle. So what do we have? My A is 96 plus my B is, sorry, 96.38 plus 48.19, then plus C is equal to 180. So therefore, my C will now be 180 minus 48.19 minus 96.38. So I'm having 35.43. Okay, so you see, the smallest angle is angle C, which is 35.43. That is the smallest angle. So we have gotten our C to be what? 35.43 degrees. Okay, that's the smallest angle. So, but they say we should equally find the area of this triangle. So we should know that the area should be what? If I'm using angle A, then I'm using these two people. If I'm using angle B, I'm using these two people. If I'm using angle C, I'm using these two people. Or I can decide not to use any angle and then just find it by normal formula. Anyone, you will get the same answer. Okay, so let me use angle A. Then you can use angle B. Another person can use angle C. Then another person can decide not to use angle at all and use only the sides and see if you will get the same answer. Okay, so I'm using angle A. If I'm using angle A, is going to be 1 over 2. Who is between A? So 9 and 7 is between A. So I'm going to say BC, then sine A, which is what? 1 over 2 times my B is 9 times my C is 7, then sine 96.38. So let's do that. I have 7 times 9 divided by 2, then answer sine 96.38. So I'm having 31.3. Okay, 31.30 approximately 31.30 cm square. So that is the area. If you decide to use the other formula, another person can decide to use S in bracket of S minus A in bracket of S minus B, S minus C. Then where your S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, so let us use this and see if you will get the same answer. So this is equal to my A. My A is 12 plus my B. My B is 9 plus my C 7 divided by 2. So what do we have? Add it up. That is 9 plus 7 plus 6. Sorry, 12 plus 9 plus 7, then divided by 2. So I have 14. So this is 14 here. So therefore the area is now the square root of 14 in bracket of 14 minus 12 in bracket of 14 minus 9 in bracket of 14 minus 7. So I'm going to have the square root of, let's do that. So 14 bracket 14 minus 12 is 2 bracket 14 minus 9 is 5 bracket 14 minus 7 is 7. So I have 980. So square root of 980 is giving us 31.30 cm squared. You see the same result. So let's move to the next question. That is why mathematics does not lie. Any method you follow must give you the same answer. Okay, so we move to the next question, which is question number 2. And question number 2 said calculate, then correct the 2 decimal places, comma, the area of a triangle, whose sides are 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm. Okay, solution. This is exactly the same thing I just did now. So what do we do? First of all, we can say that our A is equal to 5 cm, our B is equal to 6 cm, and then our C is equal to 7 cm. So therefore, to get my S is A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is what? 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 2, which will give you, so we have 5 plus 6 plus 7, then divided by 2, I have 9. So this is 9 cm. So therefore the area is simply the square root of S in bracket of S minus A in bracket of S minus B in bracket of S minus C. So which is what? The square root of 9 in bracket of 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, and 9 minus 7. So I'm having the square root of, so let's have that, 9 bracket 4 bracket 3 bracket 2. So I'm having 216. So square root of 216, square root of my answer is giving me 6 root 6, which is what? 14.70 14.70 approximately to 2 decimal places. You see, it's very easy to solve. So we'll move to question number 3. So question number 3 said ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle with line BC to be equal to 8.4 cm, comma, then angle ADC to be equal to 90 degrees, then and area to be 40.16 cm. Then I say we should find line AD. Okay, now, okay, they now gave us the triangle. They said that this is the triangle. So they said that this is A, this is B, and this is C, while here is D. So they said that here is 90. So angle This is not ADA. This side is A. Don't confuse this. Sorry. Let's have it like this, line this. Okay. So they gave us that that angle ADC is 90. Then we now have that BC from here to here is what, 8.4. Okay. So they, which other place they give us? Okay, they gave us that the area. Okay, so we know that area is equal to what? Half base times height. Okay, and which is what the area they gave me is 40.16 cm square. Okay, 40.16 is the area. Is equal to 1 over 2 times the base is here, from that is BC, times 8.4 times the height. The height is this AD. So the height is line AD, which is what they say we should find. So therefore, line AD is simply 40.16 times 2 divided by 8.4. So if you do that, you get your result. So I have 40.16 times 2 divided by 8.4. So I'm having my answer to be 9.56. Okay, so approximately 9.56 cm approximation. So you see, it's very simple. We move to the next question.